Is it in gear? Yes. Is it like the automatic?
No. It is automatic.
It is automatic. Right, we're off. Oh. You're supposed to be in charge of the brakes. Put the brake on.
No, this is the banker.
This is the bank car.
Yeah, bank car's crashed.
I'd like that to be on camera.
I'll tell you what. We'll let Daddy get in and you can teach Daddy John how.
Yeah. Then what do you do?
Straight on.
Straight out the window.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to go big corner, ready?
That's all a minute.
You do the gears. And I'll do the pedals. Okay.
Crash!
With everything.
No, forwards and backwards.
Hop on, you can stay up.
Chris, do you want to hop on?
Nah, it's alright.
You're not going to rank Chris though, is that? Wow, poor Chris. Where is he?
Hop in, mate.
Can?
See?
Well, lift in. Right, you ready? You're in.
Hello?
Hello, you. What are you doing?
Driving?
What's it say on the bonnet?
Mikey point the footsteps.
It does.
What?
Mikey point the footsteps. So, come over here.
I'll crash you first. Crash you first. I can get you.
Big crash.
Hey, here it comes. I'm going to get you.
Look out, stop. Look, dentist.
Yeah, it got crashed.
Oh!
That one got crashed.
What's Katie having a nibble for then?
He's sort of playing with somebody else, so I just got in the way.
Today?
Yes, mate.
That taxi?
What taxi? No, taxi's going to be,
You put some in the car.
What's this?
Petrol.
What's this?
Well, you put some in.
Alright, sit. Is this a carburetor?
Yes.
Oh, what's this?